Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you how you can quickly and easily change the ringtone of Facebook Messenger apps on your Android device. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put likes under the video and write your comments. And let's get started. And now I will show you everything step by step. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. Then on the top left, click on the three bars. After that, from the menu, you need to go to the gear to open the settings. Swipe down into the settings, and you will find the Sounds and Notifications option. Click on it. Now also swipe down a little bit. Open Ringtone. And here you will have a large selection of different sounds and ringtone. You can switch between them so that you can choose the sound that's right for you. Once you have decided on a ringtone, just click on it and exit back out. So friends, you will immediately change the sound of your text messages in Facebook Messenger app on your Android device. Friends, I really hope you found this video useful and that it helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.